Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Students, today I am going to explain you lesson number 15, telling time. Page number 116. Students, we all know about day and night. The day has light and the night has darkness. By just referring to day and night, we cannot understand the time. The day has been divided into three major parts: the night, morning, afternoon, and evening. The night has been divided into three major parts: night, midnight, and dawn. Morning, the sun rises in the morning. Our shadow is longer. The sun is overhead in the afternoon. So, our shadow is short at noon and almost near fades. Boost up your knowledge. The time is very precious. We should not waste even 1 second, as seconds get changes to minutes. Minutes get changed to hours, and hours get changed to days, and so on. See how many hours we have wasted when we watch TV for 90 minutes. 90 minutes means, students, 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour we wasted when we watch TV. Important points. How to find out the time: hours, minutes, and seconds, weeks, months, and years. The position of the sun in the sky tells us what time of the day it is. When the sun rises, we call it the morning. It is time to get ready for school. Our shadow is long in the morning. Already I told you, in the morning our shadow is long. When the sun rises, we call it the morning. When the sun is high in the sky, we call it the midday or noon. Our shadow is the shortest at noon. Our shadow is the shortest at noon. After noon, the sun moves to the west. We call it afternoon. It is the time to come back from school. Then the sun begins to set in the west. The time of the sunset is called the evening. Our shadow becomes long once again. The sun is overhead in the afternoon, so our shadow is short at noon and almost near a feet. And afternoon, the sun moves to the west. We call it afternoon. It is the time to come back from the school. Then the sun begins to set in the west. The time of the sunset is called the evening, and our shadow becomes long once again. Soon it becomes dark. We see the moon and the stars in the sky. We call it the night. We eat our dinner and go to bed. When it becomes dark, we see the moon and the stars in the sky, and we call it the night. We eat our dinner and go to bed. How to find out the time? In the old days, people used to guess the time by looking at the sun, but the sun cannot tell us the accurate time. We use watches and clocks to know the time. In the olden days, people used to guess the time by looking the sun with the help of shadow. But the sun cannot tell the correct time. We use watches and clocks to know the correct time. This watch has a minutes and this watch has a minute hand and an hour hand. It tells us the time in hours and minutes. See, as you can see in the picture, this watch has a minute and hours hand. This watch has a seconds hand and minutes hand and an hour hand. It tells us the time in hours, minutes and seconds. See here, this is seconds hand, this is seconds hand. This is minutes hands and this is minute hand and this is hours hand. Hours, minutes and seconds. A day has been divided into 24 hours. 1 hour has been divided into 60 minutes. 1 minute has been divided into 60 seconds. The day has been divided into 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Week, months and years. There are 7 days in a week. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. There are 365 or 366 days in a year. Week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It takes 24 hours from sunrise. It takes 24 hours from sunrise to sunrise because each day the earth moves further in its orbit around the sun, lengthening the day. Months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Listen the video carefully. By heart the names of the week and names of the months.